Hey everyone, and welcome to another daily video from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. My name is Ricky Hayes, and in today's video we're going into an app called Instant Search Plus. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so for starters, my back is killing me. Oh, far out. Had a really bad sleep, it seems. My back is killing me. If anyone is a masseuse and want to fly to me, I will give you a free coaching call. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Fucking dog jumped up on the bed. Anyway, the reason that I brought this app up is I've only recently started using this, if I'm honest. I've been a bit skeptical for no apparent reason. But this is a fantastic app, alright? An absolutely fantastic app. Now, admittedly I wasn't sure if to make this video or not because I've been watching some other YouTubers and how to get more engagement and all that shit. And I was frankly thinking about sort of like just copying all their popular videos, which I'm going to do a bit, and then make my own. But I like doing these, so fuck it. But basically, the reason that I like this app is that it's another conversion method, all right? And I'm going to install it. Oh, the app does cost a lot, admittedly. You can run it in a free mode, which is kind of limited. However, it will help anyway. And basically what it does is it's an app around pulling in all your tags, all of your if you don't want to show your vendors, especially drop shipping, but you can, if you're a proper brand, blah blah, and you have your vendors and blah blah, you want to show that, you can show that. You can choose the order in which they're shown. You can hide products. Yes, cool. And you can, basically it's going to take about half an hour to like inventory based on how much you actually have. But you can see it's an expensive app. You get a 30-day free trial. Well worth it. Which as actually, because I've installed it 3 days ago and it's generated 2K. It's 2K. Ridiculous. And it's in trial mode. As I said, this is not for people. You can run it in free. I would suggest most people install it and just run it in free. Basically what it's going to do is that your search bar is going to become like a more interactive search bar. It's going to rank organically based off popular items, the search terms. You can then modify it. You can see how ridiculous it sort of gets. Like that's annually. If you wanted to pay that monthly, $350 a month for this app. That's how good it is. You got you've just got so much options. It's even got product recommendations, and I'm sure a lot of other stuff that I haven't even utilized. But I'm going to be looking at the monthly one, and basically that's because I'm at that stage where I can do that. I don't want to get the ridiculous one, just e-commerce choice. But what it'll do, when you start typing in words, it'll search through all your products and find similar keywords. It's then going to organically just put the most popular one sort of at the top, and that it's going to have a nice, by default, your search page when they type search is actually really bad, especially on the free themes, even actually the paid themes, because they're not designed for that really. They're actually just really bad. But this, the reason that I actually installed it is that you'll start to notice as you start getting sales, start getting traction, that you'll see on your homepage, Shopify will be telling you people have been searching for this, people have been searching for that, and most of the time, most people skim over it, okay? They don't actually look at that, and it is important. There's always room for improvement, and that's the same here. I was looking over it and not really doing anything. And then I'm just like, nah, fuck it, install it. I haven't done any modifications, admittedly, on my store that I've got it running on. None. And it's generated just shy of 2K. I think it's like 1.95K or some ridiculous number like that. and it's just superb. Now it's running in a 30-day trial. I'm going to be signing up for the $150 a month. You know, if it costs me $150 a month for it in about 3-4 days to generate me $2K, if it generates me $5K for $150, yeah, you know, I'm not going to be complaining about that. All right, and it's got so much that I can again spend time on, and this is what I mean. Okay, like, you know, I could do what the other YouTubers do, like Kevin David and Franklin Hatchet, and, you know, how to make $500 days in 5 seconds, you know, how to make $1 million in 3.4 milliseconds, and, you know, it's bullshit. You know, like, they've been doing this for a long time, and they know their stuff. In many regards, they probably know a lot more than me. Frankly, I don't actually care. What I want to promote is that people need to realize that analytics, this is an analytical business, all right? You're from the beginning of trying to find products to test, through to testing them, through to marketing them, through to selling them, through to then optimizing your store, is completely analytical driven, all right? There are parts that are gray zones, it's inevitable, but this is an analytical driven business, okay? And this is why I want my focus, as you probably see in a lot of my videos, is more on the analytics, and it's more actually on the back end of Shopify, right? I have continually found that the back end of Shopify is where I make most of my money. And it's most of my money for a fraction of the cost. You know, like Recards generated me $7,000 in 1.5 weeks, you know, probably 2 weeks, 2 weeks of it being installed, and it's going to cost me $100 that month for $7,000 on autopilot. You know, you can't complain about that. And, you know, you most likely, if you're running a custom audience or a retargeting ad on Facebook, you know, you spend that $100, you're most likely not going to get $7,000 back. You're probably going to get, you know, $500, maybe even 1,000, you know, 10 ROAS, 2,000, 20 ROAS. But again, you're not going to get this. And this is what people seem to forget, is everyone watches these videos that have, you know, huge engagement and all that shit, because, like, how to hit $100 days, or like how to get 20,000 followers in 10 days on Instagram, or this and that and that and this. And they're all valid, but I don't see really anyone talking about apps. They talk about it mainly in their 2K course, and a lot of these apps just take a little bit of searching, you know, like I'm always looking for a new app to test. I have the apps that I've started with, and it's now changed, and it's made me a lot of money. But basically, I'm monologuing, aren't I? Fuck. But I meant to stop doing that, but I always end up doing it. It's so frustrating. But anyway, you can see here what it's probably catalog, because I only have the one product, I believe, on this store, like just purely for testing tutorial videos. Here we go. So, you know, it's got the autocomplete, it's got the search results, the synonyms, the collections, the recommendations. You know, you can only use all of these when, you know, you're on the various themes, and it's paying the, you know, you might also consider this. And, you know, I don't even have it enabled, which is, you know, it's in trial. I might enable it. I didn't even know that actually on my other one. You know, and then you got your smart navigation, allowing search to take over the site's collection navigation. No, I'm not doing that. I just don't feel comfortable doing that. And you can even do SEO optimization. And again, these are all very important factors to making money. You know, so you can add synonyms. Synonyms allow users to search for blah, blah, blah. You can either add multi-directional. I don't even know what an antonym is. English was not my forte. I'll just Google it if I'm curious. But, you know, you can see you got the search results, you got the premium, you got the basic, you got the Shopify one. And it's crap. You want to use at least the basic one, all right? You want to use the basic one. It will help you get some free sales. And if you're running it in free mode, there's no reason to not at least do this. And believe it or not, this may not sound like the most revolutionary Shopify hack in the world, but it is a hack, and it does work. And people seem to forget the importance of these little things. They really add up. They add to your store. They add to how it works and how much more money you can make. Because there are people that will search and they're going to find something, they might see it and they might just buy it. So don't forget that. People do this. You can change the advanced algorithm. So I don't even know this. Present results based on the prefix match with a full word. Whatever. But anyway, that's pretty much it. You can do badges. That's so gay. But it works, whatever. But that's pretty much it from today's video. Again, I am trying to make more videos. I'm going to make like one around, how to make money online with zero money, and it'll be around mainly just recommendations of how you do that. Basically, I'm doing that just for views, because apparently that works well. But I definitely want to keep doing these. I have another video that I want to make called for FOMO, FOMO. It does cost $30 a month. However, it is an absolutely fantastic app as well, and it's you can connect it to your Google Analytics, and basically it'll then actually tell you of the conversion. So I've had it running. It's still in trial mode as well, mind you, and so you can see how you can. That's what I wanted to show you. So you can see this. This is what the customers will see. They'll see that. That's really cool. Whereas if you have it by default, they don't have any of that. They actually have to enter it and then go to the actual page, whereas this gives them the sort of autocomplete preview. So you can hide the categories, you can hide the description. You can even do that because IE9's a piece of shit browser, but popular products on focus. So, I might actually do that. I'm going to do that actually, thank you. And it's just got a lot of customization, and I really like these apps that give you all this flexibility in a very easy fashion, but you can really dive deep into it, all right? So be sure to install this. Install it in free mode, all right? Just install it in free mode. You don't have to get the $150 one that I'm getting, because it's expensive, all right? But just get the free one. It's not going to make your load times any slower, really. It's not going to have any adverse effect, really, at all. But this is an app that is highly recommended, that will help not only just achieve more sales, it's another way of increasing average order value as well, okay? So that's it from today's video. There is a cheat sheet down below as well. Completely free cheat sheet, I should say. Just sign up and you'll get a free cheat sheet that'll help you get started today. I have my free Facebook group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, on Facebook. I also have my premium group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle Gold Class. Now, why I'm bringing this up is that I've sort of opened it up a bit more to the public, and it's a group where you get one-on-one coaching, you're mentoring, you get product research, you get a live Q&As every week, you get a live case study hosted by me. I've got to schedule that today. You get like Google AdWords, Google Shopping support, Google Analytics, Facebook marketing, of course. That's an obvious one. I don't know why I mentioned that before. But you get all of that, and you get very good responses. I've already helped a number of people fix problems, like actual just fundamental technical problems, as well as just actually helping get more sales. And you can see even in the free group, people are getting that, and you're only going to get more in the premium one, okay? And it's there's a link down below for the gold class if you want to join up, all right? So aside from that, that's pretty much it from today's video. I'm only going to do these every couple of days because I just, frankly, coming into, at least at this stage anyway, coming into the Christmas period, I'm going to be working overtime on this, on doing, my businesses and helping other businesses and that, and it's just going to be very time consuming. So I am sorry if I'm not going to be doing them every day. I definitely try and provide you all as much great content that's going to get you kickstarted as possible. So let's all hammer home those sales. It is Q4, okay? No, it's not. whatever. It's pretty much coming into the busiest time of the season. So for anyone who has seen my video, this one or any other video, just watch all my videos, okay? There's probably like 20 hours of content that's all free, all right? All free, that is going to help you, all right? No one else does this. And that's why I made the private group, so I can get a little bit back. And if anyone is new to this, there's a Shopify 14-day free trial down below. Again, it all just helps me, all right? That it's just people giving a little bit back to me, especially if you're doing a trial. It's just an affiliate link. It costs you nothing. You don't get charged any extra. I just get a cut back from Shopify. And that's how I use my money to then actually help uplift the YouTube channel further and continue providing you all fantastic content. All right, so once again, stop my monologuing. You all have a lovely day now. Goodbye, take care. That one.